You see that, she actually looks up at the sun and says, kindly old sun, I think my friends would love some rest if that's all right. And you see that the sun twinkles and a kind of face appears in it for the moment, and almost like you were inside of some piece of... Very, very Teletubby.
It's a baby.
It's a baby. There's a baby in the sun.
It's a baby.
Oh my God, there's a baby in the sun. Everyone else sees one of those beautiful, like, 1800s wood etching suns. You see a baby. Just you see a baby.
What are you talking about?
Who grew up and lives in LA now? That baby went to CalArts.
Can I have...